Hello friends, I am Dolly and today I am going to discuss on importance of examination in education. And examination is a test to show the knowledge and ability of a student. A student who takes an examination is a candidate. The person who decides how well the student has performed is the examiner. An examination may be a written test, an on-screen test, or a practical test. Exams are very important. Many students are studying because exams. Through exams, students can know their knowledge. It evaluates the students' skills and enables them to overcome their nerves. It is an efficient way to measure the knowledge and also helps to measure how much they have learned. Actually, it promotes competition among students. It helps in developing one's personality and confidence, and exams have the major role in providing necessary qualities in life such as hard work, patience, creativeness, and leadership. This makes them able to overcome their weakness in order to be successful in life. Therefore, exams should be compulsory. It judges us how much we have understood and how much we are capable. It also helps to improve memory power of a person. It helps us to think for ourselves. This is this it is necessary to take exams. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Khushbu. Hello friends, I am Khushbu. Today I am discussion about the importance of exam. The concept of examination is very old. We face examination in almost every field of life. Examination may be oral and written. We appear at the examination of our school and colleges. We also appear at the examination in order to get a good job. Exam are uh, exam are very important for a student. They not only evaluate their knowledge but also help the develop learning thinking and problem solving skills. Exam can have several disadvantages including creating stress and anxiety for a student, learning, leading to a negative impact of mental health and academic performance.
Hello friends, I am Chahat Kumari of class 8 1. Today I am going to discuss on importance of examination. The concept of examination is very old. We face examination in almost every field of life. Examination may be oral or written. We appear at the examination of our school and college. We also appear at the examination in order to get a good job. As we research higher classes, the level of difficulty of examination or also gets upgrade. It is believed that examination are a medium for testing one knowledge and experience. There are two types of idea regarding examination. Some people believe that examination are the best method of testing a student knowledge. The mark scored in examination show how much a student has learned, how much effort he has made. The exam also show it if the teacher has been able to teach properly. But some people believe that examination are not the right method of evaluating one's talent. They put negativity pressure on a student mind. Some student use unfair means to get a good mark in examination. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Asta. Today I discuss about the importance of examination. An exam is the test to find out how many students have to learn. Most of the students are afraid of exam, but exams are necessary to evaluate the progress of the students. First of all, exam act as a motivation for students. Students concentrate on their studies uh, more and more as the exams approach because they want to good marks for the exam. Make sure that a student study all the subjects. This means the student will gain knowledge in all the subjects. Moreover, if there were no examination, students should be lazy and they
student could not student get avoid their studies, but because they don't want to be failed, they study beside the exam. Examination teaches valuable lessons such as time management. Exam also develop a sense of competition of students, competitions of competitions among the students. Overall, examination are important for all the students.
Good morning, all of you. Here I am Mans Kumar Singh of class 7th B. Today I am tell about the importance of examination. The concept of the examination is very old. We face examination is almost every field in life. Examination when be oral or a written. We appeared the examination of our school and the college. We also appeared at the examination in order to get their jobs. As we reach higher classes, the level of the difficulty of examination also get upgrade. It is believed that the examination nation are the medium of testing one of the knowledge and experience. There are the two types of ideas regularly examinants. Some people believe that the examination are best method of testing knowledge. We mark a score in examination, so how much a student has learned, how much effort he are made. The exam are also know it. If the teacher has been able to teach properly or not. Examination lead to healthy competition among the student. The work has to obtain good marks. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Aman of class 7C. Today I discuss about the importance of examination. The concept of examination are very old. Very old. We face examination in almost every field in our life. Examination may be oral or written. We appear examination in our schools and colleges. We also appear examination in order to get good jobs. As we reach higher classes, the difficulty of examination gets upgraded. It is believed that examination is a medium of testing the knowledge of students and experience. There are two types of ideas regarding examination. Some people believe that examination is the method of testing students' knowledge. The marks scored in examination show how much student has he learned, how much effort he has made. The exam show it if the teacher has been able to teach properly or not. Uh, they work hard to obtain good marks. Examination helps the student to organize their syllabus. But some people believe that examinations are not the right method to the testing one's talent. Uh, they put negative pressure in students' minds. Thank you.